Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new cleaning video. Today's video is jam-packed full of cleaning motivation for you. I'm tackling some deep cleaning tasks and just everyday tasks as well. I hope it gives you all the motivation that you need today. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a stay-at-home mum to 3. I'm married to my husband Chris, and we live in sunny Queensland, Australia. And here on my channel I film videos to 1, motivate me, and 2, hopefully motivate you too. So if you do enjoy this video today, I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I am not going to be doing a voiceover today. I'm going to put on some really good music. So if you have about 15 minutes that you want to clean today, then I suggest you go get your cleaning claddy and we clean along together. So I hope you enjoy this, guys, and let's get cleaning.
No.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how. had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Just take me back to you. Wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you. I just wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you. Your bedroom.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you all the motivation that you need today. Make sure you don't forget to click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. And if you are after more cleaning motivation today, I will pop a playlist up on the screen now. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!